Fired someplace.
I'm gonna beat you.
Ricky, don't lose that number.
Did you lose the number, Ricky?
That's kind of mean.
Guys. Not me. I'm immune. This doesn't faze me at all. 13, my.
Oh shit. I don't know, phone charger.
Alright, so we just got a ton of sick drone shots. I'll probably display them on the camera. Probably display them on the screen right now. But pretty much today, all we're going is getting around some cinematic shots for cinematic edit we're gonna put together soon. I forgot the name of it.
Cinematic edit?
We brought the morons with us.
That's rude. Come on.
Am I wrong?
First roof we did didn't come up. There's weird complications and they misunderstood me when I was talking to them.
He probably didn't tell. He probably didn't tell.
No, that's not what happened.
How's it going, buddy? Pretty good. Matt, how's it feeling?
How's it feeling?
Yeah, how's it going?
Well, I'm just worrying about Ricky, you know? I only got one of that number.
Yeah, he's only got one of those numbers. And I thought I told him, like, Ricky, don't lose that number. And I'm really paranoid.
Told him to not lose the number.
I'm really paranoid by Black Sabbath about it.
What's he do? Goes. Oh yeah.
If I remember correctly, it was 18.
Sometimes they change, but yeah.
Now we're heading down.
Got some. Oh, I thought we were going back up there. I got some really sick drone shots.
We should have used the battle bus.
Yeah, I should use my glider. Yeah.
We could all just get naked and use our clothes.
I mean, he's never done it on it, so it's all good.
Well,
yeah, did you? No, let the world know it happened.
It finally happened.
Finally happened. Because I think everyone other than him, like. So Poop for Brains 1 wants to go all the way home to get blankets.
Well, I mean,
but Poop for Brains 2.
No, okay, it's gonna take longer, but it's gonna be an overall more quality experience.
That's actually fast.
I'd rather have quantity.
Hey, we were just there.
I'd rather have quality over quantity.
My pillow.
You better
Ethan's gonna get his pillow, and we get hella blankets.
I want to do it.
And it'll be hot.
Chick-fil-A gang. Hey, dude, that guy got AirPods. I heard those things never fall out.
I got a good ear shape. So they never fall out of my ears, but like they fall out of Ava's usually. But mine, these puppies never fall out.
I've got the wrong ears. It's better ears.
Yeah. Shout out to my ears.
Yeah.
Oh, it's closed.
It's closed, Miles.
Mac! Holy, Mac, you gotta come back.
Watch this.
Don't do it, bro.
Matt, come on.
No. I can't. I'm sorry.
I made that mistake once.
What's that?
I'm
My parents are so hyped.
Yeah, same.
Dude, even my mom was fucking hyped and she doesn't even know about
Yeah, we're
sports.
all going ape shit.
Yeah, even if you don't like sports, that was so sick.
My mom and dad,
was
well, and
crazy.
me, we're all like really big Vikings fans.
The video of the stadium, it's so
Fucking
quiet.
crazy how loud it
Like
gets.
that gives me chills. It's so sick.
Oh, Ethan, they just started double covering him. Is what happened.
Yeah. Because he was literally the best wide receiver in the
They
league.
get double covered.